Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy.
Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of a different video, but today I'm going to be taking a look at this. This is a HackerBox. HackerBox are kind of like one of those, if you're familiar with like loot box, imagine this, but all sorts of stuff for just like, you know, makers, tinkers, you know, and, you know, hobbyist hackers, right? So they have several of them. This is the 57th one. So this is the HackerBox, and the theme for this one was safe mode. So yeah, full disclaimer, I actually got this months ago, but then I lost it in my move. And now that I found it, I'm gonna unbox it on camera and upload it to YouTube because, well, why not? Now this is the first one I've ever bought, so I have no idea what to expect. As you open it up here, everything's kind of individually packaged. So this appears to be some sort of remote with a IR receiver. So it's just an ordinary IR remote. Take it out of the package here. Yeah, and it's got, I mean, you know, it's got, I guess, standard buttons. I guess with this IR receiver, you could, and I'll take it out. PC receiver. So yep, and it's just a standard IR receiver, the little hood there. But yeah, and it's on one of these retractable things. I remember I used to have one of these for my keys, and they used to always break. So don't know why they chose that, but okay. And yeah, the remote. I mean, I could take it out of this packaging, but so it probably comes across better on camera. But yeah, just standard buttons. And a coin battery. So yeah, and it's even got a battery inside of it. It's got a little pull tab for you to connect it. So that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll take a look at this, and I'm sure there's some project that would be useful for. Now this is cool. I actually saw this. So they do tell you like what's in the box before you order this one. So this one is a lock picking set. And specifically this is like a training lock. So if you look in it, you can see, and I'm probably gonna get these terms wrong because I actually don't know anything about picking locks. But you can see like the different tumblers and stuff. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see the different tumblers and stuff from the side view, and then you can see the main mechanism here, the actual lock latch and the spring and everything. So that's really cool that it's a completely transparent lock. And I mean, it's made for you to be able to pick the lock. They actually do give you keys to it. So I do have 2 keys here that will actually work. So you can actually look, and it's gonna be really hard to see on my camera, but if you look, you can see how all of these tumblers there, those little silver dots, they come together. So that's really cool. Okay. Oh, this is some sort of display. Okay. I'm not gonna take it out of the anti-static package. Actually, yeah, I'll go ahead and take out the anti-static packaging. So yeah, so this is some sort of a display. I'll have to read up on it because I personally haven't used a display like this, but interesting. TT Go. That's what it says over there, TT Go. And it seems to be a display. And what kind of chip is that? Oh, it's this is an ESP32. Okay, so this is like an ESP32 based board with a built-in screen. Let me see if I can autofocus. See, there's the ESP right there. But yeah, so an ESP module with a built-in screen. Okay, that could be cool. And they gave you the headers, and they also gave me a little connector with some wire on it as well. Connect it up, so that could be kind of cool. We'll have to do a future project with that. Oh, here's the lock picks. So these are the lock picks, tools, wrenches, and stuff that came with the kit. So here's some of them. I'm not gonna go through them all, but yeah, for the lock pick. For the lock pick, I guess practice set. That's cool. Oh, now this is a lanyard for their. They have a badge in here. This is actually the reason why it attracted me to this box. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, so here is a HackerBox badge that they made. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see some of the pads in the reflection of the light. And so yeah, all these components are supposed to go in here and help you build this badge. And that screen module that we got earlier is actually, it goes right here. So it's kind of the is kind of one of the key features of the badge itself. And here are the rest of the badge components. There are just some jacks, some tack buttons, analog stick, and a mouse pad, a capacitor or two, yeah, and a couple resistors. So this is that kit to build that badge. So I might actually do another video that is me actually building that badge. So if you want to see that, make sure you comment down below, because I think that'd be a cool video. This is really cool. This is a HackerBox enamel pin. I'm actually gonna take this out of the bag. Take a look at it. So yeah, oh, that's really cool. It's even got a little like raised texture on the lettering, but yeah, kind of hard to see because it's super reflective, super shiny enamel pin. But yeah, looks awesome. That's cool. I actually put a bunch of pins on one of my backpacks, and so I'm gonna put this on probably on that bag. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see, what's this? So this is multifunction sleeveless wear. Oh, this is like one of those, I mean, multi-purpose kind of rag bandana things. Like on the package, it shows you what all it can be. It actually feels like a pretty good material. Like it definitely is pretty breathable. So I don't know if this is like, you know, safe for, you know, going to the grocery store right now, but it is like a pretty nice breathable material, and it just says HackerBox on it. That's really cool, actually. It kind of got washed out. Like the lettering is kind of really pale. Actually, on camera it looks really good, but in person it's kind of it kind of didn't come out too good. It looks like a really low resolution, but overall the material feels really good, and I mean it's, you know, so you can configure it any which way. So that's really cool. So I'm just gonna fold that and put this over here. Yeah. And then last things in the box are just a couple stickers. One says hackers, and then this other one is the HackerBox skull, and it's very reflective, as you can see. Oh, the camera makes it look really cool. But yeah, so that's really cool. So I guess that's it. I guess this is it. So I mean, I was really excited. The reason why I bought this one, well, I mean, two reasons. One, it was they came with a badge, and I don't have any hardware badges yet, so I thought this would be really cool. And then also just this lock picking set. It just looks so cool to me. Yeah, so that's it. So this is my first HackerBox. It's actually really cool. I can't wait to put this badge and all of its components together, and I'll do a video. I'll probably do a video about that. But yeah, I'm actually super excited. So I'm gonna tinker, I guess, around with this HackerBox, and hopefully in the future I will, you know, make some more HackerBox related content. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you like the channel, and stay tuned for future content. See you guys later. Bye bye.